Day 5, living out of my car. I drove out for a wedding in California and got hit by a snowstorm. As I drove, I watched the weather turn from rain to hail to light snow to full-on snowing.
I know that they prepared with some umbrellas for rain, but I'm not sure about snow, so it should be interesting.
We knew it was going to be raining today, but didn't really account for the elevation. Forest Hill is over 3,000 feet above sea level. We were shivering the whole time, but it was worth it to watch my friends tie the knot. Enduring the discomfort of the cold only made heating back up for the celebration feel that much better.